Welcome back to another episode of Dev Diaries. Today, really quick, I'm going to take you through the process of creating a button on Phantasma so you can log in through your wallet. Should be pretty simple. The first thing we're going to do is make sure you have the packages downloaded. I just addressed that in a previous video. Once you have the packages downloaded, you can go ahead and create that button. But first, create your canvas. As you can see right here, I have a canvas. After this canvas, I had attached a canvas scaler onto my main camera. On that canvas scaler on my main camera, I have selected my window mode to be my render mode to be screen space camera. And then on my UI scale mode, scale with screen size. My apologies. And this is dependent on the version you're using of Unity. This may look a little different, but it should still have the same thing. My reference resolution 1920 by 1080, and I put my match to 0.5. Now this is just through tutorials that I've been watching, so some of this stuff like match, I'm not sure what that is, but these are just tutorials. So once you go here, you're going to go here to canvas, you're going to go to UI, and you're going to create a button text mesh pro. Once you have this button, what you want to do, let's just change this real quick. This text to just say log in, right? Let me zoom in on this so you can see. There we go. Let's change that text to say log in. I'm just going to rename this button to wallet login. And I'm just going to keep that as the text, not changing any of that. Okay, now on the wallet login, I have an on-click function. Now, currently Phantasma already has a login function. Which one is it? No, that's Phantasma client. That's not what I'm looking for. Where's the login? Here we go. Utils, login, right? And I already have that opened up. So this is the login CS right here. Now, what I did was I copied this public. I copied all of this right here. Boom. Created a new mono behavior script. So if you go here, you'll say new, wherever you got it at. I got it in my scripts package, right? In my assets on scripts. So I have named it wallet login, and this is a mono behavior script. I created a new one. And all I did was I pasted that information in here. So all of this right here is just Phantasma right here. I added this on destroy, and I added this well, the on start already comes in there, but inside this on start, I have button is added, so I can reference that button on here for when it's clicked. Button, just checking if button is null, debug that. If the Phantasma client instance is null, debug that. And I have a button listener. So I'll pause this. You can pause this at any time during this and just copy what I have down. Now, this may not be the 100% way to log in, but I know it works. And this was just following through some tutorials and just trying some things out. Like I said, I'm pretty new at this, so excuse me for the C sharpness. Okay, once I have this here, what I want to do is I want to go back to this wallet login. I want to drag my wallet login into this. Now once I drag this in here, you'll see I have this button right here. So I want to take my button, boom, put that right there. Now that I have that button right there, I want to go here, runtime only, and I want to drag this wallet login right here. And on the function, I'm going to say wallet login on login. Now if you run this as of right now, let me just save. Now if I run this as of right now, I should get some errors on this console, right? So let's find out. So now you'll see this error. Try to log in. Phantasma link client instance is null. Object reference is not set to an instance of an object. That means that my Phantasma link client is not referenced, is not created. So what you want to do is you want to create an empty object and just name this Phantasma link client, right? So on this empty object, all you want to do, go to project right here, go all the way down to packages. Scroll down to the Phantasma Link client. Go to scripts, and I believe it is this one. You'll see it right here, Phantasma Link mono script. You'll see this right here, mono behavior. You have two of them. Don't use the client plugin manager. Possibly could work, but I haven't tested anything with that yet. But go here. You're going to drag this. You could just drag it on there, but just to make it look good, drag it right here. Add this component. For me, I'm going to call this. I'm going to go to mainnet. You have two of them. You have testnet and mainnet. Simnet is if you was running it locally, but I don't believe we have the code. I don't believe we have that functionality to run it. Boot up a chain on our local machine. DAP ID. This is the name of the game. I'm just gonna call this Playground, Phantasma Playground. All right, and it should be the local host, right? So now, once you go here, you're gonna have a few things open. So I'm gonna open up just my gaming one real quick. I shouldn't have anything in there. So as you'll see, this is my gaming wallet. You can just take a peek at that if you want. There's nothing in there. So right now I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna push play on this. Then I'm gonna click login, and you'll see give access to DAP to your anonymous account. Click yes. Once you click yes, now let me go to the console. You'll see this right here, Phantasma Link authorization logged, and it'll have all of this. So now you are currently logged into your wallet and you're good to go. Thank you.